day when I will be swapped this my old monitor. I have it for the new one, Xiaomi G27Qi. It's a 2K monitor and I can wait to plug in. Only we will do now is just unboxing. If you want more, just let me know and I will make some review for you as well. But so far, unboxing and quick test. Good luck. Okay, box is out and what we have here, it's some accessories over here, power supply, HDMI cable or DVI port cable and starter for the monitor, and as you can hear it is a metal. And also metal is this stand. That's nice. Okay, open the box now to see how it looks like. It's nice. Me, watch it for me. Okay, now we go and put together this stand for the monitor. We need a 2 screw over here. Just gonna find it where that screw is. I can open this. Everything you need is included. Now we just clip in the monitor on the stand. It's have a lovely design by Xiaomi right here. I like it. It's really nice. Okay, let's clip in. There you go. nice. Okay, we have a DisplayPort cable, AC adapter for the monitor, and manuals. Actually, I don't need this, it's for monitor. Just connect the HDMI cable, DVI cable, whatever you want, and just use it. Okay, let's go plug it in. Now is the time to have a look for the design of the connectors. We got a AC adapter plug-in, HDMI 1 and 2, DisplayPort 1 and 2, and also the outputs for headphones and controls for the monitors. Nice design. Okay, everything is plugged in now, and we can now switch on my PC to see how it works and how it looks. First, start. Yep, I have a lovely RGB case and I use it RX 588 gigabytes with this. Just wait. Ooh, picture works. Okay, monitor is switched on and it looks amazing. I'm happy there is no any dead pixel, which is good. I already checked it, and yeah, looks nice. Here we go, and we can swap for 100 Hertz. You can see here 100 Hertz, and it's also this monitor is support 10-bit color, which is brilliant. I like it, and also is a 2K. We're gonna switch on 100 Hertz now. Check the mouse first. Switch it now. Here we go. As you can see, 100 Hertz. Not bad, not bad. Personally, I don't see the big difference between 100 Hz and that 60 for the mouse moving. Windows HD color. Okay, that is how it looks like. I cannot set up the HDR, but that should be HDR maybe switching on. You can check the brightness. It's max, it's nice. I see the HDR is up. Here we go. We have HDR on, and we can see that HDR on the Windows settings is also on. Brilliant. I will keep it on HDR, and now I will check it how this picture looks on YouTube video. Okay, now I got a full quality video. Before I check it and show you, it's a will stream on 4K now, and normal speed, stable volume. Okay, now check the quality. Oh, looks nice. It's really nice. I like it. Hopefully you like it as well. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and if you want more video about regarding this monitor, just let me know and I will definitely do it for you. Now I'll show you some test on UFO test. 100 Hz, 180 Hz, and click the swap. I think there is no ghosting or something. It's really nice.
torch. Yes. One more time. Yeah. Looks nice. Click like.